Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Pfms portal with authorized credentials. This ensures secure access to MDM records. Once logged in, go straight to Dashboard, then Reports, and pick the Midday Meal or MDM Ledger section. Make sure to enter your agency code and relevant date range to focus the query. You do this because Pfms ties balances to specific agency and period, so correct identifiers produce the exact MDM balance rather than aggregated or outdated figures. Once the MDM section opens, choose the precise scheme and financial year to avoid mixing years. Then select the ledger balance or transaction statement depending on whether you need the running balance or all transactions. Ledger shows current balance quickly, while transaction statements explain changes. After that, apply geographic or beneficiary filters if you want granular data, and set the date range. This step narrows results and explains why the balance moved, which is essential for reconciliation and audit trails. Finally, verify the Pfms MDM balance by reconciling it with your bank statement and sanction orders so numbers match. Reconciliation proves accuracy. Once reconciled, download the report as CSV or PDF and save voucher numbers to track any future queries. If figures differ, make sure to capture screenshots, note error codes, and contact the Pfms help desk promptly. This troubleshooting tip provides voucher ID and evidence, speeds resolution, and prevents recurring mismatches in your MDM balance reporting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.